Your clients have paid you because they believe you can deliver amazing results for them. You have promised heaven on earth that yes, they would achieve transformation with your coaching program. They will get it all right, that their problems will be solved, that you will move them from their hells to their heavens. And now they are here. How do you ensure that you deliver great results for your coaching clients? How do you ensure that they have the best times of their lives such that they recommend you over and over and over again to their network? That is the essence of today's video. Today I have 5 phenomenal steps, practical steps that you can take to deliver great results for your coaching clients beyond just your intentions, right? Yes, you intend to deliver, but does that happen eventually? And if you don't have this nailed, you lack the confidence to sell your programs because you're not sure that you can deliver. And then you may end up just shortchanging yourself. So this is your video if you are ready to learn how to deliver great results for your coaching clients. Are you ready? Come with me. Let's do this. Hey you, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Temi Ajibewa, aka the Electric Temi. I am Africa's most influential personal branding expert and business coach for thought leaders like you. If you're a thought leader, you're a speaker, trainer, coach, consultant, writer, anything you are under thought leadership as a professional or a newbie, this is your home, because here I share free, awesome tips on how to build a personal brand that rocks and makes money, and also create digital products, and also master your sales funnels. Okay, so today's video is about how to get great results. I have noticed that a lot of coaches they hold themselves back from showing up, from selling, because they are not sure that their clients will get their money's worth. Yes, they are not confident enough that when they coach their clients, these clients will get great results enough to recommend them to their friends and family. And so I want to assure you that if you put in these 5 strategies that I will share with you today, you can go ahead and go to sleep, because your clients will get results every single time, guaranteed. Yes, that is guaranteed in a damning way. Like, yes, sure. Okay, so what's the first thing you have to do to be able to give this amazing results to your clients? The first thing here, and you cannot skip this, is you must understand your ideal clients to a T. That is the people that you want to help. You must get to know them to a T. Like, what are their pain points? What are their desires? What are their shortcomings? What are their idiosyncrasies? What are their limitations? You must know your ideal clients to a T. And this video here will teach you extensively all the things you need to know about your ideal clients, so that you can create what we call an ideal customer avatar, ICA, right? So you must know the demography and the psychography of your clients. That way you are able to put yourself in their shoes and you can say, my client is here. So know them to a T. If you are not sure, ask questions. Get to know for a fact exactly who they are and what they need. Okay? Number 2 is you want to design a signature coaching framework that will move your clients from where they are to where they want to be. That is, you will put yourself in their shoes, yes, and then you ask yourself, what are the practical steps that my ideal clients can take to move them from point A to their point B? So a framework is typically, like, for me, I call it a bridge. I call it a bridge that moves your clients from here to there. It moves them from here to there. For example, in my signature coaching program, the Business of Your Brand program, I teach 4 core steps that my ideal clients must take to move from where they are to where they want to be. So it's a bridge, right? So they move from here to here to here to here, and every week working with you, they move closer to their destination. Do you see? So for example, my own framework is known as the Highly Paid Coach Framework, and it has 4 steps: clarify, productify, position, and launch. Going through the steps, you will become a highly paid, well-structured, high-impact coach, no matter your niche. All right? So you also want to design a signature coaching framework, and this video right here will help you. I'll put the link also below this video. And then number 3 is, around that framework, build a coaching program. Build a signature coaching program. So your framework are the pillars that your coaching rest on, or the steps they will take. The program is the actual program. For example, the BYB program, that is the Business of Your Brand program. That is the program. This program has modules, has courses, has support, has worksheets, has assignments, has deliverables. All of that makes up the program. But the framework itself is CPPL: clarify, productify, position, and launch. All right, so that is the framework, but the program itself is the entire experience. So design a signature coaching program that is built on your framework, which is built on your ideal customer's needs. That way you can be guaranteed that you will get great results for your coaching clients. And so number 4 here is, I will ask you to please offer amazing support for your coaching clients. Please do. Offer amazing support. Get to know them beyond just them buying from you. Okay, offer them support. What are their challenges? Are they able to access the courses? Are they able to do the assignments? Are they having issues? Give them templates, swipe files, checklists that will help them to get results faster. When you work with me, oh my goodness, one thing you will absolutely love about me are my templates and worksheets. I have them in tons. Like with me, you cannot be confused. Down to sales calls, templates, and I have a bundle for you. It's called the Highly Paid Coach Bundle. The link is below this video, where you can get access to my sales scripts. That is my free strategic call script that will help you to close clients. Use the link below this video to get that. And also, if you like to have a one-on-one session with me, where we can have a mind intercourse on how to build your brand and your business to the next level, you will leave this call with a blueprint of exactly what you should be doing, right? That call is for you to book. The link is below here. Now, for the final step number 5, is for you to ask for feedback before asking for testimonials. Yes. So I always recommend that you ask for feedback. Ask your clients, what could have been better? What went well? What can be better? Or how would you suggest I do this better next time to help the incoming students? I ask this question every single time when I'm, offboarding my clients, or once we are done with the program. Okay, so that's the much I've come to share with you today. Let me know if you found this valuable. Leave me a comment. Give me my flowers while I'm still here. Not that you hear that, oh, Temi is dead. They're like, oh, Temi, I used to watch our YouTube videos. Oh, no. Let me know now. Okay, yes. And I'll see you in my next video. Have a great one. Bye for now.